Welcome to IAI, Israel's leading aerospace and defense company. Please put on the 3D glasses next to you, and we will begin. Our demonstration is set in a region which is currently peaceful, but we should always be ready for any surprise.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Daily review, please.
Space, air, land, and sea surveillance systems provide intelligence at any range. These include observation satellites, integrated air defense systems, and a variety of short-range sensors.
The situation looks normal in all sectors, sir.
Thank you.
Intelligence centers constantly gather information from all sectors in order to detect any enemy's activities.
They have to see this. Sir, this enemy movement seems suspicious.
Heavy cloud cover. Maybe they thought we wouldn't notice.
SAR satellites provide information day and night and under all weather conditions, preventing any chance of a surprise.
A UAV is on its way. Visual is coming up.
Long-range, long-endurance UAVs with multi-sensor capabilities scan the area and deliver real-time information to the intelligence centers.
Enemy ships are leaving their ports.
Raise the alert level and get me a visual.
A Marine UAV is already in the area, sir.
Our mission aircraft is gathering signal intelligence from all sectors.
Aero defense system activated.
Launch aero defense missiles.
6 ballistic missiles were just launched at our cities.
Okay, gentlemen, carry on. We still have a war to run.
Dolphin 1 online.
Enemy ships in your direction.
I'll take a closer look, sir.
Launch an observation UAV. We're under fire. Do we have any losses?
Negative, sir. Our self-defense system did the job.
We're retaliating with fire.
Enemy ship destroyed, sir.
Okay. Stay at high alert.
Enemy aircraft are approaching our borders.
Long-range radars detect enemy aerial attack and support air and missile defense systems.
Enemy aircraft destroyed. The attack is over.
Nothing is over. It's just the beginning. Gentlemen, activate Operation Thunderbolt.
A decisive result with minimum casualties can be achieved by damaging the enemy's military capabilities. But this requires a precise and integrated counterattack. Neutralizing the enemy's communications networks using guided missiles. Striking the enemy's fleet using long-range precision weapons. These weapons find and hit the most challenging enemy targets. Mission aircraft control airborne operations deep inside enemy territory. The enemy's air capabilities are crippled by disrupting its airport's activities.
Echo 2, homing on target.
Missiles.
Echo 2, complete the attack. I'm taking evasive action. Echo 1, confirmed.
Good job. Return to base. We've got a refueler waiting for you on your way back.
The enemy's infrastructure is badly damaged.
Prime Minister online.
Yes, Prime Minister.
They've just declared a ceasefire and are pulling back their forces.
Excellent news.
Quite so. And General,
Yes, Prime Minister?
excellent work. Thank you.
Excellent work, indeed. A decisive, precise reaction that prevented a full-scale war. Superiority was achieved by using advanced space systems, multi-mission radars, command, control, and intelligence centers, a variety of UAVs, ballistic missile defense systems, special mission aircraft, and guided weapons. All of them are IAI systems. I invite you to take a closer look how our solutions can best serve your specific needs. Thank you for your time and attention.